Today we will learn image tag, which help us to display image or picture to our website. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Vishwajit Dotto, welcoming you to ECAD tutorial. Let's start. First, we have to go search bar. Here we have to type text, text editor. If you are using Windows, then you have to type Notepad or any text editor by which you will be able to edit text. Text editor is like a physical paper where we can write anything. Like this, it's a digital text paper, digital paper where we can edit anything. So if you are using Mac, then you will get text editor. If you are using Linux, you will get text editor. But if you are using Windows, then maybe you will not get text editor, but you will must get Notepad. Okay, so I am clicking text editor, and you have to click also text editor. Okay, here we get a big digital paper. Here we can write anything. Okay, so I'm just this font is little, this text editor font is so little, and I'm sure you are not watching it carefully, or you will not be able to see it clearly. For this reason, I am increasing this font size by clicking zoom button, and it is going to be zoom almost 300%. Okay, I zoom it 300%. Now I am sure you are watching it or seeing it very clearly. So for HTML file, we know we first have to create a canvas, and we create canvas by HTML tag. So less than HTML greater than, yes, I have created HTML tag, mean I have started canvas. I have just started canvas, but I did not finish it. We know HTML rule that if we make a tag, then we have to close this tag also. Okay, so I have started HTML tag, now I have to close HTML tags. For this reason, I have to type less than advanced/HTML greater than. Here I am just using advanced/extra for closing this HTML tag. Now we have created a canvas. In this canvas we will be able to draw anything, but in HTML, or we know HTML has rule, and we always have to follow this rule, and this rule tell us that we have to make a head first, and then we have to close the head also. Head, yes, we have close head, and then we have to create body tag. Okay, body. We have to body tag also. We have to close body tag also. Okay, so now in this head we have to create a face by which we will be able to call this face. Means browser will know this website web page name. So we must have to give a name, otherwise there will be lots of websites. If we don't give a name, then we will be confused actually which page we are working with or which page we are displaying with. Like this, we can make a about page and contact us page, and lots of pages we can make. And for making if we make about us page, then we have to give title or name about us page. If we create a contact us page, then we have to create contact us page. Like this way, I have to create title, title, and I have to also close this title, title, and I have closed this title. So it's a name. Title is a name of a web page. Okay, and it will always, and its title is always a property of head tag. Title is always property of head tag, and head and body always property of HTML tag. Okay. So I am writing here. Today we will learn image tag. So I am writing here picture. Today we are image tag. I am writing image tag. Okay. So now I have to work. It's a okay. Now I am working on body tag. Okay. So in body tag, what can we write? We can write JSON. We always have to use a JSON or heading tag to our web page for getting good, for making for doing good SEO to our web page. If we don't do that, then we will lose and we will make our page weak to search engine. So for doing good SEO, search engine optimization, we always have to use one JSON tag to our web page. Okay, for this reason I am using JSON tag, and then I am closing JSON tag. Yes, now I have created JSON tag or heading tag for making good SEO and also looking good to viewers. So I am here writing picture display. Okay, picture display. Now I also have to use a paragraph tag. Am I clear? Hope you guys have understood what I am saying. Now I am creating a paragraph tag and also closing paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag, now we have to set a property of paragraph tag. So we can write today we are learning paragraph. Not paragraph. Today we are learning image tag. So we have closed image tag. Now in image tag, so now we have to create an image tag. So for this reason I am typing img image and closing also image. Remember one thing, image tag is a single tag. Image tag has no closing tag. It's a single tag. So if we use advanced img, then it's a wrong use. So we always have to use image, only one image tag, like video. So it's a single tag. So when I am typing image, then I have to give a source. Means from where we will get this image. We can get image from lots of sources like this. We can where we can keep image. We can keep image to our download, from where we can which image we can bring here. We can bring image here. PNG copy, and we are going document, and here we can paste it. So if we want to know source, of a document or a file, we just have to right click on this document and have to open it with browser. Okay, so I am selecting Google Chrome and clicking open. Now image is being open to us. So now image is shown to us to our browser. Now we can copy this image URL. This is the location of this image. So I am just copying it from browser, uniform resource location, URL. This is the URL. Full form is uniform resource locator location. Anything you can say. So after copying this, placing I'm just clicking on tab on address bar and right clicking on this selected portion and copy and clicking copy. So now I can close this tab, close this browser, and I have to go image tag. Here I have to give source ASRC. I have to give source ASRC source. Then I have to click a is equal to. Then I have to type 2 single quote, and in this quote we have to paste this URL, location URL. Now if we save it and open it, now we have to save it through 3 hyphen logo or symbol. Now I have clicked this and pressing save as and giving its name is EVENT 7th tutorial.html. We know we always have to make a HTML web page through .html extension, so we always have to save any HTML file through .html extension. So if we don't use .html extension, then this is not going to create any HTML file. So if we want to create a HTML file, then we always have to finish this file name with .html. So we just type ACVN7 advanced slash or hyphen tutorial.html. Now we are clicking on save. Okay, we have saved this. Now if we go to document and click on right click on 7 tutorial and clicking on open and selecting browser and clicking on open, then we are seeing this image. So by this way we can show image. Now we have to set some portion of this image, means property. We are going to have to set this property, and in this image tag we can use width, WIDTH, width. When we are setting width of this image, we can write here 400, not any pixel. We have to just give 400, means it's going to cover 400 pixel and making this image 400. Now if we refresh save this and refresh this image, then we will see this image just become small. Okay, so this image get smaller. Now if we click 700, not 400, not 700, then it is going to be little bigger. Okay, it is going to little bigger, and like this way we can give height also. We just give height. Now we are giving height, HIGHT, height. Height section we are giving 400, and if you save and refresh this, we will see this. There is a little height change. What's going on? Height, HIGHT, ACI. White height, HIGHT, ACIGHT. Okay. Now we are seeing this image. Okay, let's make bigger height. Now we refresh this page, we will see this is a bigger image. Okay, so by this way we can set width and height, but if you are not clear what will be height, and if you don't break this image, you can avoid height. But when you need height, then this time you can use height. So I am not using height here. Okay, now if I refresh this, it's a good looking image. Now we have to set its title. In case if browser failed to load this image, or server could not serve this image from their source or from their storage, this time we wanna show this picture description. As a result, viewer will be able to understand what we have detailed, what we wanted to show them, So, and we could not show them for some reason, and viewers or user will be able to understand about this picture through our title. So we have to type here ALT alternative. ALT means alternative, and we are setting here, we are giving alternative property. This picture, this is acre, this is acre, service, this is acre companies, acre companies picture. This is acre companies picture. Okay. Okay, this is acre company's picture with this their service. Here I see service. Okay, now we are saving it, and if we refresh our web page, we are not seeing anything. Okay, and if we keep mouse over this picture, we should see something, but why we are not seeing something? Maybe we did something wrong here. Okay. Okay, let's make some mistake by without loading this pic. Okay, this now it will be clear to us what exactly happened if image is not loaded properly. Okay, now we are not seeing this image, but we are seeing a detail of this image. This is acre company's picture with their service. Okay, as a result, viewer will be able to understand about this picture, and they will understand for any misconfiguration or any error, server could not serve this picture, but server is showing this picture detail through text. Okay, this is acre company's picture with their service, they will understand. Okay, so again repeat this tutorial. What we have done here, we have just, we know head, we know body, we just have to clearly see this image text section. Okay, we have to just focus on this image text section. Okay, so image less than image source, the image source, this is the, I am just we have to create a source, and we have to show from where we want to show this picture, and we know how can we know how we can get this source. Just we have to keep this image, any folder, and from this folder we have to right click on the we have to right click on this, we have to right click on this document, and from there we have to select open with. From there we have to select, just I am again doing this, where I am clicking, I am right clicking on this document and selecting open with, and from there I am selecting Google Chrome, and from there I am clicking on open. When I have clicked open, from there this picture is being displayed on a browser, in this browser address section, in this browser address bar, we are seeing a URL. The URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, so this is the URL. We have just copied this we just have to copy this URL. Just we have to click on address bar, and if our address bar is not worked properly, then we can just have to click this address bar, and we have to keep pressing this left click, and we have to cover this all by clicking cover this all. We are turning it from right to left, and after selecting all this, we have to just right click again and have to copy this, and we have to paste this, address or file location into in double quote. It's a source property. We are just setting source property. So from our source will bring this image, it will bring this image from this source. Okay, after that we have to set void property, then alternative property, which is we can set also height property, and then we have to set alternative all property, which is optional but alternative of image if image is failed to load. Okay, now I am closing this. Now I have just saved this file and just refreshing this image. Now we will see this image. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this tutorial very well. If you have any question, any doubt, please give us your question to our comment box, and we will try to solve your doubt very early, very soon, within short time. And if you have any suggestion about our tutorial for improvement, then you please give us your suggestion. We will try to improve it, because if we follow your advice and if you can get good tutorial from us, this will be both we will both win in this skill sharing platform. So web development is a very demanding sector right now, and it's going to be boom, and nobody will say that web development will be gone. Okay, if anybody say web development will be gone, that's a big lie. Every company need web page, website. Without website, their business will not be go to oil from big from. You have mobile, but most of the business on website. Okay, so hope you understand this. Today we learn image tag very clearly and funly. And if you have any question, please give us your question to our comment box. If you like this video, please give please give like button. Please click like button. If you dislike this button, if you did not like this video, please give dislike by pressing dislike button. And if you already did not subscribe to our channel, please press subscribe button and also press bell button for updated video from us. And that's all. And if you missed our tutorial from static, then please go to our YouTube channel, where our channel name is youtube.com /EASKR tutorial. And from here we are seeing our channel. And if I go to playlist and click on play all, this is the master web development, your path to building a stunning looking website. So you just have to click this play all playlist, and from here you will be able to learn A to Z of web development. Okay, now we are closing this. And if you have if you have any question, if you have any, and if you want code, if you want this source code, okay, if you want this source code or our source code, we are giving a description link. So yes, we are giving a source code link to our description like this we are giving description. Okay, so you will get a link, you will get a link like this, documentation and code. Okay, like this you will go, if you go to this link, and you will get this, site like this, and you will get this image like this, you will get source code, or you will get all source code like this. Okay, if you forget this, you can come here anytime. Okay, so we are giving source code link, to our description, tutorial description. Okay, have a good day, tata, bye bye.